So as you guys can see by the title, this is kind of a part 2 of what I started last time, which is the no drill front bumper license plate. So basically what we did was we attach magnets on the back of the bracket, just so instead of drilling to the bumper, you can just come here, grab it, and then pull it off. And this is what the back of it looks like. So if you guys haven't seen that video yet, I'll put a link up here, and you guys can watch that before this one. But basically why I wanted to add more onto this one was because winter's coming and there's going to be a lot of snow up here in Canada. So I would hate to lose my license plate just because I didn't take the necessary measure. So I'm basically going to be installing secondary support for the license plate. So basically if the magnets fail for whatever reason, so if this does not work anymore, like for whatever reason, I would have a secondary support that would still hold the license plate bracket assembly to the car until I get home and I can like safely take it off, because I do not want to lose it on the street. So the idea that I had was, so if you guys look over here, this is the license plate, obviously. So there's 2 holes on the top that attaches the plate to the bracket. And there's 2 more holes on the bottom right here. So what I was thinking of doing at first was taking a bolt and putting it all the way through, and then using JB Weld a nut over here. So then the bolt would just directly screw into the grill where there would be a nut attached to. But I think I found a better solution. So the next idea that I came up with is something called the toggle bolt. So basically, let me show you guys how it works, because this is kind of genius actually, and I think it'll save a lot of time and stress. Basically, so I'll show you guys how it works on the top portion of the grill, but basically the same thing applies to the lower portion of the grill. You guys can see it's a similar design. So basically, I would squeeze these 2 and then push it in there. And then whenever I would need to remove it, I just pull on it and it comes out. So this bolt is gonna go, I have 2 of them. It's gonna go through the bottom 2 holes of the license plate. And some of you guys may be wondering that this should be like the other way around, this top thing at the end of the bolt. But the thing is, since the holes on the bottom of the grill, they're a lot smaller than this, the one on the top grill, when I would put it in, like it would be very hard for me to take it back out. Because again guys, like I said, I really doubt this license plate bracket will already come off during the winter unless there's like a severe snowstorm. But I really doubt that's gonna happen. And even if it does happen, let me show you guys what will happen in case the bracket comes off and how those 2 bolts will save it. So let me put it on and I'll show you guys. Alright guys, so the 2 bolts are on at the bottom here. And if for whatever reason during the winter this license plate bracket decides to come off, here's what's gonna happen. So this will come off. And it's really so hard for me to take it with one hand. So in case it does come off, that's how it's going to be. And it's going to be held in here. Of course, I did leave some slack because I don't want it to, like if we look at it on the side, when the license plate bracket is like this, if I put too much, if I tighten it too much, the license plate bracket will be leaning against the the bumper. So then the magnets will be fighting against each other. So that's not good. So that's why I didn't put too much pressure in it. But yeah. This is basically what it look like. Obviously when I'm driving I'll hear something and I'll just pull over and put it back on. I'll just take it off if it's safer that way. But yeah, and if I am doing a photo shoot or something during the winter, this is what I can simply do. Just like unlatch from the magnets and then just pull out. And here we go. So yeah. So I can see that the hole right above it is going to be where these clips are going to go into. So I'm just going to line it up and I'm going to pinch that clip and I'm just going to put it through. So now that's through, all you have to do is use your left hand. You have to pull the screw towards the front of the car just so there's a bit of pressure on that clip on the back. And then what you do with your other hand, your right hand, you take it and then you just tighten it down, and you will see that over time this will go into it. And yeah guys, this is it. Like this is just an extra safety step. So now if I still want to take it, it's still just as easy guys as before. So let me just show you guys. comes off like that. And if I need to put it back, just pinch those two things over here, put it in the hole where it's supposed to go. It's gonna be marked with the vinyl wrap. Push those in, and then the magnet. And yeah, here we go. But yeah guys, that was it for this week's video. If you guys enjoyed the content, please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out guys.